Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call. Today, Thursday, the 12th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's market. And from Canada, we saw they had their monetary policy report come out overnight rate decision, and the decision was that they increased interest rates by 25 basis points, bringing that up to 1.5%. In their statement, Mr. Pollock basically said that they were happy with the economy, the growing economy. The only concerns were the trade wars and the trade agreements with the US, but otherwise they were quite happy, so they've increased the interest rates. Now, if you looked at a US CAD chart, you would have seen that the US CAD went up, which basically means Canadian dollar lost strength. So how could that be if they raised interest rates? Well, the market had factored this fact into the equation, and it was already very well priced into the decision. So basically the Canadian dollar lost ground against the US. Now, in the US, we also saw the crude oil inventories come out. That number missed the mark by quite some way, coming in at minus 12.6 million barrels, and consequently WTI oil dropped quite significantly yesterday. It did play into our hands in terms of a chart that we were looking at, but it did drop significantly. Okay, let's have a look at our chart of the day. And I believe from Monday's weekly class we had our Aussie US trade that I was looking at. That one played out, so go back and check on that. But the chart that I've got for you this morning is a gold daily chart, and you can see from the chart that I'm showing you a level where the market has bounced. It did bounce again, and the question is what's going to happen now before we pull the trigger, because this pattern has a relatively good probability of bouncing and breaking through and continuing down. However, if we do get the price action setting up for us somewhere along this area, well then basically we would be all set and ready to go. So there you have it. Gold on a daily timescale is our chart of the day this morning. Let's have a look at what's happening in news coming up. Well, we have at 9:30 this evening, the ECB will let us know what their monetary policy accounts will be and what's happening there. And then at 10:30 from the US, we have CPI and core CPI numbers due out. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.